how to read encrypted WhatsApp messages. First of all, it's important to understand that WhatsApp encrypts every message you send, meaning only you and the person you are chatting with can read what's sent. This encryption protects your messages from hackers, service providers, or even WhatsApp itself. If you want to read messages securely, simply open the WhatsApp chat on your phone as usual. When you see the message, it has already been decrypted locally on your device, so you are viewing the original text safely. There is no legitimate way or tool to decrypt someone else's WhatsApp messages due to this strong encryption system. Any apps or methods claiming to do this are unsafe or illegal and should be avoided. Always keep your WhatsApp updated to benefit from the latest security features, and never share your phone or WhatsApp verification codes with others to keep your chats private. Now you know how to read encrypted WhatsApp messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.